I've got another 2024 M4 Competition Cabriolet that's in the showroom now. This one is for sale, so if you're in the Toronto marketplace, feel free to reach out to me on my email down below. If you know somebody in the marketplace, send them this video. Now, this one does have the carbon package. We have the Alpine White exterior. We have the orange interior, the M carbon package. I'm going to take you guys through a quick little walk around of this beautiful M4 Cabriolet. Now at the front, we have the black kidney grille. I love the hood dimples that gets. No power dome, but that's still pretty good. We've got laser light headlights on this bad boy with the shadow line tint to them. We have the carbon fiber front inlays. We have that advanced driver assistance radar sensor right there. On the side, we have Michelin tires on these 19-inch wheels, red M Sport brakes. These are the black wheel option that comes standard. Got that M4 air breather, carbon fiber mirror caps. Moving on to the inside, M carbon fiber bucket seats. I mean, just look at the back. How could you not want those? Damn. Automatically powers forward for you. And then of course, on the inside, we have the new iDrive8 system. Check this out. We're gonna lock the car. We're gonna lock it, let it lock, and then we're gonna come in, we're gonna unlock it. We're gonna open it up. Check out the opening animation that you get with the new iDrive8 on the M cars. How cool is that? Before we come back into the interior, let's talk about the exterior a little bit. 20-inch wheels at the back. Got that black M4 Competition badge. Carbon fiber rear diffuser going around those quad tip exhaust system. We can come back into the interior. So this is a full merino leather option. Carbon fiber trim on the inside. So we have it carbon fiber trim up on the dash, carbon fiber in the center console around that 8-speed automatic transmission. We've got carbon fiber paddle shifters, carbon fiber steering wheel trim, M1, M2s in red. Back seats are plenty spacious enough. That one driver's seat's pretty far forward right now. Orange on the door panel is fantastic. Yeah, that giant curved display screen is the big update for 2024. In the center console, you're gonna get one USB-C charging port. Let me hop in on the driver's side and we'll touch on a couple things. So we got the new iDrive8. This is the operating system. Now you can customize your M1 and your M2 buttons. You also have M mode. This is going to be the main menu for it. I like how everything is on a slant with the iDrive8. And then I also love touchscreen is more responsive. And I do love how all the vehicle apps like the M Drift Analyzer are all like apps that you can just click into. Very similar feel like your iPhone. One thing is your climate control is put into the iDrive, so you have less physical buttons down here. All these buttons pretty much stay the same. And now let's give it a start up. Once you have started up in M mode, you can go from road to sport. How cool is that? We'll give it a little bit of a revs. And then if we go into M2, the exhaust valve you hear open up, big difference. One last thing I want to show you guys before we end the video is the engine bay. Pull twice. I mean, this thing is fully loaded enhanced package. So I mean, you got head-up display, Harman Kardon sound system, 360 parking camera. And we have the new S58 engine, so 503 horsepower for the all-wheel drive system. Sure, tucked down there, there's two little twin turbos, 3-liter, 6-cylinder, bad boy. And there we go. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys appreciate this quick walk around of this in-stock Alpine White on orange interior M4 Cabriolet. If you're in the Toronto marketplace, feel free to reach out to me on my email down below. If you know anybody who's interested, share this video with them. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. you.